Hello students, good morning. Now today we will start exercise 14.2. In this exercise we have make frequency distribution table. Very careful, it is very easy but some careful we have take. Example 1, the blood group of 30 students of class 8 are recorded as follows. Here 30 blood group is given, A, B, O, A, B, O, A, whatever 30 is given. Represent this data in the form of a frequency distribution table. Okay, and which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students. So now it is very easy how to make frequency distribution table. So in first column we have write blood group. See, there are 4 blood group, A, B, O and AB. Okay, in second column make tally mark, and in third column number of students, that is frequency. If you write only frequency then no problem. Below portion you have write total 30 because 30 blood groups of 30 students are given, so total will be 30. Now how to do? First blood group is A. Okay, so A, there are 30 students. Calculate A, how much time, how many times A. You can take pen with you in rough page. Okay, calculate. There are 9 times A given, so write down in frequency 9. But tally marks how to do? Remind that tally marks can be done in the group of 5. Okay, so here is the 9, so 5 plus 4, 9. So tally mark, how to do tally mark? 4 standing line and 1 slanting line, as like as n. So this is 5, 4 plus 1, this is 5, and see there are 4 extra lines in it. Standing line 4, so 5 plus 4, 9. It is very easy. Okay, now calculate B. How much time B in given? You can tell me. It is 6 time. If you AB is different, AB group is different, but calculate B. So B you will calculate, it will be 6. So make the group of 5, so 5 plus 1, 6. So first group is 5. How to draw 5? 4 standing line and 1 slanting line, that is 4 plus 1, 5, and 1 extra line, see there. So 5 plus 1, 6. Now calculate AB. How many times AB there? You can see there AB only 3 times. Okay, so draw 3 standing line and writes in front of it 3 is the frequency. Now O is the, if you calculate O, it will be 30, it will be 12. Okay, if you calculate O in given question, it will be 12. So how to draw 12? 2 5s are 10 plus 2 means group of 5 2 times and 2 extra. So first group 5, 4 standing line, 1 slanting line, again 4 standing line, 1 slanting line, and then 2 extra, which is that we have draw. So frequency will be 12, and if you make total, it itself will be 30. Okay, so in this way we can solve question first in our notebook, but during the class you have write in rough page. Okay, now Second question, AB. Second question is about the distance of 40 engineers from their residence to their place of work found as follow. Okay, there is one question. O is the most common and AB is the rarest blood group because highest frequency 12 of O and lowest frequency AB is 3, so AB is the rarest blood group and O is the most common group. Okay. Okay, now question 2. Construct a group frequency distribution table with size 5 for the data given below, taking the first interval 0 to 5. How to read it? It is not 0 minus 5. It is first class 0 to 5 and 5 not included. Okay, last number is not included in given class. So what main features do you observe from this tabular representation? So now we have draw frequency distribution table, which is the highest number and which is the lowest number that you have find. Okay, I think lowest number is 2. Okay, and highest number is 31. If you observe, okay, 32. 32 is also highest. So lowest is 2 and highest is 32. So how to make a class that we have seen. See now, make 3 columns. First column is the distance that we are making the class 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. Okay. Second column tally mark make blank, and third column number of engineers, that is frequency, is also blank here. So how to solve this sum? See here. See, you have given different number. Okay, calculate 0 to 5, the numbers between 0 and 5 but not included 5. Calculate from the given number. There will be 5 numbers. Okay, so number of engineers frequency will be 5, and tally mark you can draw 4 standing line and 1 slanting line, that is 5. Second class 5 to 10. So calculate the number between 5 and 10 but not include 10, means 5 to 9. If you calculate, there will be 11 number. Okay, so how to represent 11? So 5 to the 10 and 1 extra. So make group of 5. 4 standing line, 1 slanting line. Again 4 standing line, 1 slanting line. That is 10 and 1 extra. That is 10 plus 1, 11. Next, 10 to 15. But we know that. Consider the number between 10 to 14. Means 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much numbers are given there? So you can calculate, there will be 11 number. Okay. So also do as above. 5 group, that is 4 standing line, 1 slanting line, 4 standing line, 1 slanting line, that is 5 plus 5, 10 and 1, 11. Now 15 to 20, we know that the numbers between 15 to 20 means 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, not included 20. Calculate from the given numbers in your question. You will tell me 9. And how to represent 9? 5 plus 4. Okay, so 5, make group of the 5 tally marks. 4 standing line, 1 slanting line, and 4 standing line extra, that is 5 plus 4, 9. Same thing 20 to 25, but you consider 20 to 24, not 25. You will obtain only one number, that is first only one frequency, only one tally mark, and frequency 1. Now 25 to 30, so 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, not included 30, so it will be only 1, so frequency is the 1. Now 30 to 35, okay, so you have to consider only 30 to 34, not included 35. Okay, so there will be only two number, 31 and 32, we know that. So make frequency tally mark 2 lines and frequency 2. Okay, so now we observe the following main features from the tabular representation. The distance from their residence of their workplace of the maximum number of engineers are in the second interval, that is 5 to 10, second interval, that is 11, and third interval 10 to 15. We can speak it interval or class. This is not 5 minus 10, 10 minus 15. It is class interval, that is 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. Okay, in this way we can speak. Now second, the distance from the residence to their workplace of the minimum number of engineers, that is 20 to 25 and 25 to 30, because only 1 and 1, so this frequency is very lowest. Third, the frequency of the intervals 5 to 10, 10 to 15 are the same. Okay, so in this way we can draw frequency distribution table. Okay, now question 3. Question 3. The relative humidity in percentage of a certain city for a month of 30 days is as follows. 30 days humidity is given. What we have to construct a group frequency distribution table with class 84 to 86, 86 to 88. But what we have to first find out highest number and lowest number, then we can do this. Okay, but first class is given 84 to 86, then we can make another class. So to draw the frequency table, make 3 columns: relative humidity in percentage, tally marks, and number of frequency. Okay, so in first column write down the classes first, that is interval, class interval, or we can tell it classes also. First is given 84. '84 to '86, then '86 to '88, '88 to '90, '90 to '92, '92 to '94, '94 to '96, '96 to '98, and '98 to '100. You can observe there highest number is, which is the highest number? 98.3 is the highest number. Okay, here we have this data appears to be taken in the rainy season as the relative humidity. When there is rainy season, then relative humidity. Which month of seasons? In rainy seasons. What is the range of this data? So highest number is 99.2 minus lowest number is 84.9. So if you subtract, 14.3 is the range of the data. Now how to make frequency distribution table? Okay, so for it refer all this number given in question, 84 to 86, first class. Okay, so which number between 84 to 86? Do not include 86. So you will see there only one number if you find. Okay, which number? 84.9. So only one number is there, so tally mark is 1, frequency is 1. Next, 86 to 88, there is also one number, but which number? 86 to 88, which number? 86.5. Okay, this number is only one between these. Do not include 88, last number. Now next, 88 to 90. There are two numbers, 88 to 90. 89.2 and 89. Okay, these two numbers are there, so two frequency we can draw. 90 to 92, there will be also two number, so frequency will be 2. Now 92 to 94, but do not include 94. Okay, so you will obtain there 7 number. So 5 plus 2 7, so draw first frequency 5, that is 4 standing line and 1 slanting line. Extra 2 lines there. Now 94 to 96 we can calculate from the given table. It will be 6. Okay, so how to make 6? 5 plus 1 6. So group of 5 we have considered. So 5 and 1 6. Now 96 to 98 you will obtain 7 number. Not include 98, though you will obtain 7 number. So 5 plus 2 7. Okay, next 98 to 100. Do not consider 100 in it. We can consider up to 99. Okay, so there will be also 4 numbers. So draw the 4 lines there and make the frequency total. It will be 30 because here 30 days humidity is given, so total will be 30. Okay, so in this way we can solve the sum question 3. Okay, now we will take last one, question 4. Last question 4 for today's question. The height of 50 students measured in the classes given follows. Here 40 students height is given. So what we have do, represent data by using the class. Which class? 160 to 165, 165 to 170, using this class, and make frequency distribution table. Okay. So if we take highest observation and lowest observation, okay, so here highest observation will be from this table, not from this question. 173. If you find another, you can tell me, but I have found 170. Okay, and lowest observation is 150. So start one from 150. Height, first column height, second column tally marks, and third column number of student. So height, write down in height 150 to 155, 155 to 160, 160 to 165, 165 to 70, and 170 to 175. Okay, you can calculate the number between 150 to 155. Do not include 155. Okay, do not include 155. So it will be 12. If you calculate the number between 150 to 155, means 150, 151, 152, 153, 154. From the given question it will be 12. And draw the tally mark. How to draw 12? 2 5s are 10 plus 2. So 5 5 2 times. Make frequency group 5, 4 standing line, 1 slanting line, again 5 and 2 extra, that is 12. Same thing, 155 to 160. Calculate from the table. Given number 155, 156, 157, 158, 159. Do not include 160. Calculate this much number from given table. It will be 9. Okay, so 5 plus 4, 9. So we can draw 5 plus 4, 9. First 5 and then 4. Okay. Now 160 to 165. Calculate the numbers between 160 to 165, but do not include 165. You will tell me the number. It will be 14 number from the question. So draw 14 tally marks. How to draw 14 tally marks? 5 to the 10 plus 4. Make the group of 5. 5 5 2 times and then 4. 165 to 170. You will obtain 10 numbers. 5 plus 5 10, and last 170 to 175. There will be 5 tally marks, 5 frequency or 5 numbers. Make the total, it will be itself 50. So in this way we can solve today only question first to 4. Okay, more question we will solve next.